Hi, this is Michael from Eguana, and I'm about to show you Eguana's case, our data management system for processing data from machinery during and beyond the construction phase. Why is this also an important factor for smart cities? In our opinion, smart cities don't just need to be smart in terms of the public using smart technology. The city itself, the structure needs to be smart. BIM, business information modeling, is a huge factor in contact nowadays. And building and feeding such digital twins leads to smarter structure. One of the big questions is, where do we get the data from to feed our BIM models? And what else can we do with this data by retrieving it? But first of all, who are we? Eguana was founded in 2015 in Vienna, Austria, and we strive for digitalization of ground engineering and tunneling. We build an efficient and high-quality construction process management. In ground engineering, data management is most of the times inefficient and error-prone. If there exists data management, it consists mostly of several spreadsheets where data is commonly added manually. Therefore, there's not only a high error potential, but also massive cost for analysis and evaluation. With such rather sloppy documentation and quality assurance, deficits arise, not only in relevant data itself, but also in communication and information management. Our solution for all these problems is called Eguana's case. Eguana's case collects, processes, and evaluates data automatically. At the end of the chain, it exports it, for example, for BIM models. The data is saved and structured in the central database, which is the center between human and machine communication. The single source system, which works with open interfaces, allows different kinds of users to access the data, be it foremen or operators who don't need as much deep insights as managers or engineers, or be it external persons like planners or contracting authority. Thanks to browser-enabled devices, the data can be accessed in real time. Thanks to Eguana's case, construction sites have a better quality management and assurance, which means also a better quality of data for BIM experts. Analysis effort can be diminished by 70%, and process optimization is possible even already during the construction itself. This case delivers reliable and consistent data and pushes for a higher degree of transparency on the construction site. We are very happy to have worked with several construction companies on several construction sites throughout Austria, Germany, and Switzerland, and even more to have partnered up with highly appraised university in terms of research and development. One example for such a construction site is the vast construction site Stuttgart 21 in Germany, where we managed the data of over 150,000 injection points. Users can get from the tunnel overview to the single injection they are interested in just 5 clicks. Eguana's case is flexible and constantly evolving. We are continuously integrating more machinery and providing more and more exports. Adaptable like the Eguana, we are looking forward to solve your misery in data management.
All right, Michael, thank you so much. How's everything going today?
Hi, thank you. Everything is going very well in Austria. It's been a nice day, nice weather. Just to stay at home like everyone else.
No, fantastic. It's actually a little bit cloudy here in the Bay Area, which is a bit abnormal. But kind of first question I had for you, could you describe a little bit about the onboarding process, for a client to work with you?
Well, usually we get into talks. What is the requirement of our client? What kind of construction they are needing to, how could I say it, to improve, and what kind of data is collected there. And then we usually do pilot projects within like 2 or 3 months and see if that fits for our client and if we conduct further talks about working together for long term.
Got it. And do you have any projects monitoring the health of either roads or bridges?
So far, that's not our portfolio, but well, since also in roads and bridge building, there's a lot of machinery involved. It could definitely be integrated. It just depends on the machinery and on the interfaces they provide.
Awesome. And as our last presenter here today, any final words, any asks from the audience?
Well, I hope you enjoyed the whole seminar the same way as I did. And what I want you to take on the way for in terms of Eguana, we have some very successful construction sites already in the German-speaking part, and we're looking forward to expand globally. So if you have a case, get in contact, and even if it's not right now, think of us in the future.
Awesome. Michael, thank you so much, and thanks for joining. Really appreciate it.